Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 25 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today we have an inversion pair again, and we're going to be looking at exercises 35 and 36.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So these exercises actually follow a little bit of a different pattern than we're used to singing, because when we go up to the fourth, we come back to the third and then continue to go up again. So just be a little bit careful on that transition up. So I suggest you go slow on this one first. So exercise number 35, you can hear, oh, oh. You see, you go up to that fourth and back to that third. Don't go too low on that third. Oh, 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 oh. And exercise 36 is exactly the same, but we're going down. So this one's a little tricky. Now that's a whole step, so you have to be a little bit careful there. Try that again. And don't move any of these big structures, and allow the voice to turn over as you get up into that upper passaggio.